hair.
Oh.
I don't know what you want to really, you know. Today is Sunday, which means it is church day, so I am just getting ready for church, which looks like doing some dishes and hopefully pulling myself together very quickly. That's good. 45 minutes. Be the fastest get ready with me ever. I'm fastest, boy. Will used to be a pastor, and this is the first time he's working a job for like a Christian charity and not for an actual church, so we actually get to go to church together on Sundays, which has been so fun.
So fun.
Make our Sunday routine different, but it's been really nice.
It means we can go together.
We can go together. Pee. Oh. Not Will peeing in the middle of that. Yeah, I think going back and forth between these two mascaras has literally changed my lash game. Like, excuse me, what? I always get mascara all over my lid. Men's deodorant, period. Okay, I've got time, so I'm gonna brush out these hair extensions and put in a few clips for added thickness.
How you doing?
This is my quick hair. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Can't complain. Let's go finish getting dressed and we gotta go. All right, let's go. Just eat my breakfast in the car. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Oh no, my mom. My heaviness.
Songs in the beginning. It's our liturgy, but
Of course I had to pee, so just did that. We're on the way to grocery outlet. Church was amazing. I'm just so thankful for an amazing church in Southern California. We're gonna get a few groceries. We just need a couple things, and then we're having groceries delivered from Walmart, so we have to rush home after this.
reuse your bags.
And reuse your bags. That's good. Oh.
This is why you get a grocery outlet.
So we're getting this, and then we got some of this chickpea lentil pasta. $5 otherwise, $2 here. Grab it. You know, just casually getting some seltzers. Cheese from Walmart. 2 yogurts in a bag. So many bags. Okay, I'm gonna put on something a little bit comfier.